Question 1. If the absolute value of x plus 1 less than 2, then A. X lies between -2 and 2 exclusively. B. X is less than -3 or x is greater than 1. C. X lies between -3 and 1 exclusively. And D. X is less than -2 or x is greater than 2. Okay, let's see what the solution is. Now this is an inequality question that we are going to be solving, and it has absolute values, and we must remember the basic definition of absolute values and the basic rules that govern it in order to tackle this question. So we have x plus 2 absolute value less than 2. Now for every function, if we have the absolute value of a function, say f of x, less than or equal to b, what that simply means is that f of x lies between the interval -b and +b. So that is the definition that we are going to use here. So which simply means that the absolute value of x plus 2 less than 2, x plus 1 less than 2, simply means that -2 is less than x plus 1 less than 2. Now we are going to add -1 to all the terms of this equation in order to have the range of x. So we'll have -2 minus 1 less than x plus 1 minus 1 less than 2 minus 1, and we obtain -3 less than x less than 1. So x lies in the interval -3 to 1, and when we look at the answers, the correct answer is C. So C is the correct answer.